So, are you guys not currently living in the home?
No, it's not signed off yet.
Okay. My name's Deputy Noisette.
There.
You're just trying to leave today,
I'm
correct?
I'm trying to leave and finish my house. So yeah.
Okay. So obviously this is turning into a larger civil issue than probably both of you guys imagined, especially now that it stepped up to this. Your biggest concern today is leaving, correct?
Today's.
Yes.
You also have what scheduled next week.
I also have an inspection scheduled next week. So
Okay.
He's days away from getting his final, so he can move in.
yeah. So I can
Okay. I understand that.
Yeah.
This is going to need to be. You pulled out of some sort of litigation, he's saying?
So he was paid $100,000
Okay.
by the insurance company for any damages that were made that for the road.
Okay.
I guess he's chosen not to do it. So
Okay.
whatever he uses the money for.
It's up to him.
So yeah, exactly. So we had a deal that we had everything in process, that a contractor was going to come and do the work. The insurance company was going to deposit the money in an escrow account that I opened. A separate party was going to come up and do all the inspections.
Okay.
And then him and I were going to release everything at the last minute. He decided to pull out of that deal that we had, and then he demanded to be paid. And so the insurance is going to be paid him. So he's got $100,000 to fix whatever he wants to.
Okay.
So.
And this damage wasn't done by him.
It wasn't. It
doesn't matter to you, I understand.
It
doesn't matter. So all fault was released. You know,
Okay.
both of us released each other. Everything was done and over with.
And
that
what
was
were you
only
told by his lawyer?
About about 2 months ago. So,
Okay.
Yeah. So the lawyer said to my lawyer that I needed to get everything done on my property before the road gets fixed.
You need to do what?
I need to get all of the work on my property done before the road gets fixed.
Okay.
And so that's what I've been doing.
Okay. So obviously, I think we don't give any sort of legal advice, but I think the best thing for you to do would obviously be to contact your lawyer about this whole situation.
For sure.
And try to get some sort of something figured out. Because he's being obviously semi-unreasonable with me. He's not.
I told the other officer that the first week that he said something, we contacted him and said, let's all meet up here.
Yeah.
And get it all taken up. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm not that way.
Okay. Was this gal that was just walking her dog down here, is she one of the residents up there?
I didn't see that.
Okay. I was probably talking to you guys while she was walking. So
She turned around and hauled
she
ass.
probably did. Probably doesn't want any part of it, which I don't blame her. So what we're going to try to have done, obviously, is him to move the gate so you guys can leave today. And then from there, I think you guys need to figure some sort of something out to where you can come to a solution. I get that it's...
So the other thing that we just told him was that this isn't legal for the fire department, so you might want to let them know that they cannot.
I don't know their fire laws. If it does have a Knox key, I think that we can access it.
Yeah.
I don't blame you there. I get completely where you're coming from, especially right now during fire season. So we're gonna go with that.
Okay.
Just try to hold off on, because it's obviously riling him up.
We just need to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's see what we can. So, are you going to let them leave today?
I'll let them leave as long as you make a record of it.
Everything's going to be documented, what both of you guys have said.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
All right.
And it's not to return.
Well, that's good.
Because I'm going to put a lock on here.
Obviously, you guys need to talk to your guys' lawyers and figure this whole situation out.
Already,
I'm not going to recommend anything.
Understand.
I can't make any recommendations for any sort of legal.
It's already gone to the point where the lawyers have talked. There's been an exchange of letters between the lawyers, and there's conversation between the lawyers. I've also sent him a notification indicating that he doesn't have any right to use the road.
Okay.
And it's all documented.
Okay. That's perfectly fine. Let me get your name real quick, sir, so I can...
Robert.
Robert. Okay, I'm gonna grab his information.
Okay, you need a phone number on it?
Yeah, if you got one.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, while I get his information, I'll do it over by the truck. If you can clean your stuff,
Sure.
have the thing move so he can get his vehicle out, and this will all be done for today.
Sounds good.
Okay. All right, sir. Let me grab your name. What's your full name here?
It's E-R-I-C.
E-R-I-C.
Hellman.
And then what's your best contact number? Okay. So, like I told him, it's all just going to be documented in our event notes, which is all can be brought up later, if anything needs to. And then from that point, obviously, what I was saying, this obviously needs to get worked out legally between you guys.
Yeah.
Please don't say anything to him on his way out.
No. Not
Yeah,
at all.
it just creates
Not at all.
further.
Oh, yeah. Totally. I hear you. Spelled your name wrong.
Noisat.
A-T. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right.
Okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Yeah, you guys too.
Thank you for your time.
Of course, sir. Have a good day. Enjoy your 4th of July.